What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visualmodo WordPress themes, and in today's video you're gonna learn how to claim your site, how to verify your site on Pinterest in a simple, fast, effective and free method if you are using WordPress. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video and share this content for a friend of yours. After this, go to your Pinterest profile, review the upper right corner of your screen next to your profile picture, and go to settings. Once on settings, review the left sidebar of menus, and right here we're gonna have link to Pinterest. Click on it. Once on it, all we have to do is go to website and click on claim. Then what to do? Copy this code. Then go to your WordPress website. If the case that you are not using, you are gonna recommend that you install the Yoast SEO. To do this, review the WordPress left sidebar of menus after logging into dashboard. Remember to access dashboard yourdomain.com plus wp-admin. Plugins, submenu, add plugin. Into the upper right corner of your screen, you're gonna click and type Yoast, just like this. Install and activate this plugin. Then go back to WordPress dashboard. Review the left sidebar of menus, hover a mouse over Yoast SEO and click on Settings submenu. Once right here, we're going to be able to find a couple of options, and into General, we'll have Site Connections. Right here, we're going to be able to enter all of the connections you need. I recommend that you use this one, Pinterest. Just place the code and save the change. Change has been saved, so your site is now showing the code of Pinterest. Then go back to Pinterest, go to continue, enter the URL and click on verify button. The URL that I'm looking for is this one. Enter your website URL, click on verify, and the site is now connected. You can install Pinterest tag to track conversions as well, but the site is now connected. Simple, easy, effective and free. And that is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question, and I see you guys tomorrow. All the best.